Central Asia is the cradle of many people who settled all over Eurasia. The life of nomadic people was always inseparably linked with the horse. Therefore, no wonder that the people of Central Asia managed to preserve many ancient equestrian games. Recently, the international equestrian competition in Kökbürü, the national sport of many Asian people, took place in Bishkek, the capital of Kyrgyzstan. 4 teams participated in this tournament. The team of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and 2 Kyrgyzstan teams representing the eastern and the western zones. At this tournament, the founding of the International Federation of Kökbürü was officially announced. The first day, the die was cast. It has brought together the teams of western and eastern zones of Kyrgyzstan and also Kazakhstan with Uzbekistan. Now some words about the game itself. The game is played using the carcass of a goat with a weight of more than 25 kilograms, not less. This quite a heavy carcass must be thrown in a Tai Kazan, a huge cauldron. These are the goalposts. Now, when some new rules were adopted, Kökbürü has become a combination of an equestrian game with the elements of hockey and soccer. Each team has 4 players. The game consists of 3 periods, each lasting 20 minutes. In the 3rd period, 10 minutes into the game, the teams exchange their goalposts. This is a playing off of a carcass between 2 rivals, which takes place after the teams broke the rules across the sidelines. The rest of the players do not interfere until 75% of the carcass go over the soccer line. As soon as it happens, the remaining players join the game. The national championship in Kökbürü have been held in Kyrgyzstan since 1997 according to these rules. Because the teams of Western and Eastern zones know each other very well indeed, they have chosen the open tactic of game. It is desirable to say some words about the origin of the game's name. The literal meaning of the Kökbürü is grey roof. There are a lot of explanations of the game's name. Here is one of them. According to the ancient mythology, Turkic people originated from the she-wolf, which raised the only child left after the invasion. This is the explanation of the game's name, which is played by the descendants of the wolf and the infant. The Eastern Team Zone won the first game 12-7.
Номері кішінекей, төшінде кішінекей тоғылық белгісі бар, бұл Өзбекстан командасы. Birinci номерде Иргашев Даниор. Екінші номерде Жүстаев Нұрбек. Төртінші бұл Мамунов Нұрдәулет. Шабуылға шыққан Қазақстан командасы.
In this match, the Kazakh team appeared to be more trained, showing better game, and it won the match successfully. Uzbek Kakburu team has more potential, but they don't have practice in holding such kind of competition. On the second day, the team of Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan's second team Vostok. Representing the Eastern Zone were the first to play. The field was wet and it caused a lot of difficulties for sportsmen and horses. But the match should be held in any case, whether it rains or snows. Such are the rules. The Uzbek team seemed to get used to the field and played better on the second day. It showed an interesting game, despite the fact that it lost the game with a big score. The winner of this match became the finalist. That is why the game was so hot from the very beginning. Nobody wanted to lose.
Yana 9. номер Ayıpхан. Hurmat bilen Ayıpхан ulak жерде. Oy boy Ayıphan'ı qaraç. Oy elermanlar. Oy elermanlar. Ayıphan.
The Kazakh team has a good tactic. Their teams have participated in different tournaments. It should be mentioned that the further development of Kakburu game in Kazakhstan seems to be very promising. Kakburu is gradually gaining ground in international popularity, and very soon we might be the witnesses of Kakburu Asian Championship, similar to the Cup of European Champions or National Hockey League Championship in the United States and Canada.
Nomerdeki oyuncu Bahtiyar'dı. Akbayev Bahtiyar'dı. Ottawa alıştı. Bugün Kazakistan komandası çağırdı.
Go! The Kazakh team scores the second goal. Well, now the Eastern Zone team has to equalize the game. It is not easy to do it. Now the Kazakh team changes to players in the course of the game, just like in hockey.
Bugün Asanov Ravşan'ın takır oynağını göre almadık, Buğrul'u da göre almadık, Urmat'ı da göre almadım oynağının, Mama Rasul'un da oynağını göre almadım, Sarpbek'in de oynağını göre almadım. Can talaşıp atkan tavuldu oldu. Kazak'tan kadar çaldı.
Go 3-0. Now it's almost victory. And Kazakhs are not likely to lose such a chance. Little time is left till the end of the game.
Dilek'e karşı bu oyunun tadını çeşitli olacak.
neticeleri 75.
30-0 vakıflarda ödül oyunun dörüne bunlar yerine
5 4 3 2 1 stop.
Hazır. 3 time'ın içinde takdir çeşitli. Aslında kat oyun var, kızık oyun var. Oşan için demdi içki alıp kütüp durumuzlar hazır. Şunçalı oyunga güven süreçler olsa gelsengizler olur. Süreçler var mı? Kazakistan, Kırgızistan.
The crucial day comes. The winner of the tournament will be announced on this very day. The game is going to be hard and it's difficult to predict the result. Both teams reached the final without any defeat. Each of these teams is determined to win the tournament. Kyrgyzstan players have chosen an attacking tactic and pressed Kazakhstan's team at their goalposts. Kökbürü is a courageous and hard game. This game is not for cowards.
Mini varsa bir ötelle at patlamına mini var koysun. Mini var.
And here is the first goal of Kyrgyzstan's team. Psychologically, it's a very important goal. Will they manage to make the score equal and change the course of the game? Comparing these two teams, we can say that the Kazakh team has stronger horses and the players are more athletic. The Kyrgyzstan's team plays tactically richer and their technique seems to be more up to date. The victory is not so important. It is more significant that the first steps for the revival of Kökbürü have been undertaken at the international level. Let our ancestors be blessed who brought to life this wonderful and valiant game.
Oyunda bildiğim degette birinci, ikinci, üçüncü, dördüncü oyunda takımlar Akırtlı sekundalar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.